Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Steve here. Is it okay if I use your picture use your image on YouTube and all that kind of stuff?
Sure.
Okay,
Absolutely.
great. So we worked on you 26 months ago, and I've got your before picture up between us. And we did 2,681 grafts. And how much did it hurt? Be honest.
Like the procedure itself?
The whole deal.
Oh, not a lot, but there were painkillers to assuage that, but it wasn't that bad. It was.
And you swelled up a bunch, probably.
Yeah, it was. I couldn't do a lot for about that week, just because it was all a little bit delicate. But it wasn't too bad. It wasn't suffering. It was just I needed to lie down a lot. But
and then you have fine hair, and as I told you back then, and we talked again today. All you fine-haired guys, whenever you do a second case, you're going to need a few hundred singles put along the hairline, just because. Just imagine this is a graft.
Yeah.
The roots are all about this wide, and you get skinny hair sticking up from them. If you have fat hairs, there's just more trees per square inch. And on somebody like you, we'll come back and we'll just add a few hundred singles to the hairline, and then bend over one time. And I just want to show that. And so we'll start right here, and we'll finish this off without any trouble. Chin up just one time, and I actually looked right back at the camera, and. That's good. I just wish you had fatter hairs, but so do you. That's what your parents gave you. It's too bad you and I don't have these whiskers.
Yeah, no, that'd be great. That would save me a lot of trouble.
Was that pretty upfront with you?
Yeah. No, I'd say things developed just about exactly as you said they were going to do. You said you'd take like a year to really get back, and I got to say for the first few months I was real like, oh fuck, what have I done? But then it starts coming in like, okay, I'm happy with this.
Then you're kind of reddish complected. Did you have much redness here from week 4 to week 8?
Yeah, it was pretty bright, but
that's a red person's problem. It's not I'm brown. It's not a brown person's problem. So you'll have that again this time, but back here, nobody will notice that.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if we can help you, give us a call, and thank you again for coming in.
All right. Thank you.